Cool. First day back. Let's start getting some of these levels figured out. Where are my tools? I have no idea. Oh, there they are. Asia low. Well, everything's pretty much been taken out. Today, just trading one 150k Express account. Let's see what that level is here. Yeah, that's going to get tagged. 5406. $54.06. Yeah, let's see. Oh, we gotta switch this. Q. And Q. And that low came in at. Yeah, I don't think we'll get back here. 324.75. Yep. This thing might be on a mission just to head higher. Yep, that high got taken out. Let's go to the hourly. See what we got to the left. Oh, we got some levels. This thing's just ripping. We got some levels that we could hit. Here. Here. 721.50. Let's go here. Let's go to 721. That's close enough. Yeah, this thing's just ripping. All right. And now we wait. This is a fresh 150k. Not gonna lie, I blew the other ones. My top one futures accounts just had a terrible start on all of those. So it's hard to start when you're in drawdown. But we're gonna reset, get those back here soon. Not too worried about it. Yeah, I think this thing is just gonna run higher. Probably all day. But now we'll just wait and see. let's clean this up. This is the hourly, so basically everything we need to look for is going to be to the left here. That's going to tell us everything. Get rid of all these. Some levels that never even got hit. That's crazy. Yeah, it's definitely got a lot of room to the upside. Hmm. Yeah, I like that 720. That 721 area right there. You can see some of the rejections there. I think we blow past it. Hmm. So I'm gonna 1, 2. It's right at 8:30 open. Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna try this.
Order filled.
And if it works, it works. Don't want to take too much on this in terms of like drawdown. But I like, gosh darn it. Definitely want to take a risk off as soon as I possibly can.
Order filled.
It's not really what I wanted, but didn't have too much conviction either. I'm just going to sit back and let some structure form. Let's drop down to a 1 minute. Yeah, let's wait till some structure can form around here. See if we do want to go lower. Maybe close below this short-term low right here. Give us a sign that, you know, we're going to continue down. That's the daily. Let's go back to the 15-minute. Again, I'm just going to clean up these key levels. There we go. Oh, this could be a good long opportunity looking at the 15. So we have the first 15-minute opening range right here. Now we have a close. Typically you want to see a push and a close, but this is actually looking decent. Maybe not. I'd like to see it close on the 5-minute. Just to give us a sense of direction. Okay. Not quite a close below, but definitely a strong candle. Yeah, now we just sit and wait. Part of me is still interested in the shorts. I might put a little bit of risk on here. This could be, you know, a nice little you know, accumulation, manipulation, distribution back down lower before we go higher, which I'm thinking is the case. Then if we look at patterns, we have a nice little, you know, bull flag forming. So yeah, I just need to wait for a little bit more. Let's see. Just a classic nice little bull flag. But I definitely don't want to trade in this right here. We need some sort of confirmation. Could be getting it right now. Could be getting it right now. There we go. That's the confirmation that we were looking for.
Order filled.
I'll go long on this bad boy. It's not getting the follow through I'd hope for as of right now.
Order filled.
It's alright. That's probably what I was looking for right there. Got faked out on the fake break. It's alright. Okay. That's what we wanted to see right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's alright. Again, try to move into profit as quickly as I possibly can. it's definitely chopping in here. I got faked out. Got a small win to get some of that back. But right here is definitely not ideal. But I do like this right here. Yeah, this is not ideal. Just a lot of chop. A lot of chop.
Order filled.
I think this is the one that we were waiting for.
Order filled.
Maybe not.
Order filled.
Need to give it a bigger stop. Definitely need to give this a little bit more room. Like that. Oh, like that.
Order filled.
Add to that. Oh, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that.
Order filled.
Got me again. Wow. Got me again. That's crazy. Got me again. Because I was looking for the longs. That was it. On this 5 minute, that's you know what, I'm still gonna re-enter this.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is exactly what I was waiting for, but just didn't get it early enough. I jumped the gun. So now I know I just got to be a little bit more patient because I knew exactly where it was going to go, but I just jumped in too early twice. And that hurt. Alright, at least secured a grand. So hopefully this keeps running. Keep moving this up a little bit.
Order filled.
Alright, it's not bad. It's beautiful. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. That's what I needed. Maybe I'll look for one more. Did I not mark that area on this chart? Part of me wants to call it, but that was exactly what I was looking for. Exactly what. You could just tell it was coming down. This is just a classic bear flag. Or, I'm sorry, bull flag. Just boom, boom, came down and took off. Actually, what I will do is, I'm actually going to switch to MNQ. Look for one more trade and just hold it for a little bit longer with that way I can have a little bit more of a, just reduce risk. So we'll just do it with the micros now. Because part of me just wants to buy and then just hold for like the rest of the day. We got a new 4-hour candle opening up. So let's see how this kind of reacts. The open of the candles here. This is another strategy I really like. It's done really well. Once we have this 4-hour opening candle, the new 4-hour opening candle that's at 10 a.m. Eastern time, I'm going to look for this top wick to form, and then once we get below and we have some conviction that we're going to reverse. In this case, it would be bearish. It'd be looking for shorts. Stop goes above this top wick at today's high, and essentially you just ride it back down to some area of liquidity. But on a day like this, when we're kind of pushing higher, up almost 1% overall, that might not be one. And there's also no liquidity that was taken out or any confluence with London highs, London lows, anything like that, because there's already been taken out. So if we look, all of that has already been taken out. If that would have happened like here, and then the 4-hour opened like right here, that'd be easy target to London lows. But since we're just ripping up, doesn't make much sense to maybe look into that right now. So I like to use this just added confluence with these liquidity levels: Asia, London highs, London lows, things like that, because these are still all untapped. So we'll see. A lot of time left. A lot of time left in this game. And if we don't get something for the rest of the day, that's fine too. So let's see if we can get this would be a nice, break, close above, retest, then retest higher on the 5 minute, because that was a strong break above the 15-minute order opening range break. My goodness. So we'll see. Looks like we probably have another pop. Yeah, first day on the fresh 150K account with Top Step. So far, so good. Yep, there it is. I'm still liking, was it 25,721? It's 25, I'll put on the other time frame. Let's take a look. I mean, it's pretty good for a no news Monday. Looks like there's some news tomorrow. Putin will measure against tankers. The country. What time was that at? Just now. We will take measures against tankers of the countries which help Ukraine. Interesting. Europeans have detachment talks themselves. Putin is fully Russian army control. I wonder if that had anything to do with the news I just released. But again, as I was saying, this could be a nice break, retest back into the opening range to potentially go higher. Or this could play out perfectly with that 4-hour candle I was just explaining, of how if this 4-hour candle flips, we could look for a sell in this area back down. So, could be playing out. We'll have to wait and see, but it could be playing out. Just keep waiting and seeing. But that 15-minute opening range break retest could definitely send us higher. I don't know if this news had anything to do with us moving a little bit lower. Oh, maybe Interesting. Part of me wants just to go ahead and take a little stab longer to see if we can pop back above this. On this one, this is the 5-minute chart. On this one, this is a 1-minute chart. That's why I keep flipping back and forth. Instead of just doing it here, I'll just flip back and forth to the screens to be able to see, a little bit clearer. I mean, at some point this candle will probably have to flip. So we can just wait for that to happen. If we don't get it before 11, then we don't get it. And that's fine. But I would really like to get into something else as quick as the first one and call it a day. But we'll be patient and keep waiting. Wait for some more structure to form. So we'll wait to see. But I think that break and retest theory is playing out right now. Break, retest, now we could probably go long again. But I want to try to go long around here. That way I can put my stop underneath this short-term candle low. Wait, how did this switch back to NQ? That could have been bad. And as I'm switching, that's exactly where I wanted to get in. Missed it. It's alright. Missed it. I'm not going to chase it. That's exactly where I said I wanted to get long. So I could put my stop right here. And I missed it. Let's see. It's alright. Respected it on the 5-minute as well. Yeah, definitely a little bullish. I might front run this to the downside actually.
Order filled.
I really yeah, I'm going to reduce this risk to above this candle's high. So I'm not a huge fan of what this is doing at the moment. Especially because we didn't even get close to the previous candle's closing wick. Don't really like that. If we don't get any of that continuation down, so I can at least reduce risk to break even at like $60. Typically 50, 60, I'll move my stop on MNQ down to break even. But I think, yeah, we're not getting any push that's going to let me do that as of right now. So I'll just keep reducing my risk. There we go. There we go. It's not it. It's not it. It's not it. But there we go. Beautiful. Right there is fine. Risk-free
Order
trade.
filled.
All right, free $70 on 5 micros. That's good. I'll take that all day. And it's respecting this area right here. Even the 50% of the 5-minute. It's at 50%. Let's go from the body to the body. Actually, oops. Yeah, right at that 50%. But I do love this setup. I feel like I've seen this so many times. It's going to burst right through that. That's the one I wanted. That's the one I wanted. Still respecting it though. Yeah, I moved my stop very quickly because I do not want this to have the chance to run against me at all. Alright, so we gotta close. I mean, still thinking about this, the 4-hour candle and the flip. I mean, your stop would still have been protected if you were to take that trade a little while ago. Granted, that's what, 30 points. At 30, yeah, that's not bad. A 30-point stop, 35-point stop with micros. That's doable. Was that $200? 5 MNQ contracts. It's still doable. I guess just gonna have to wait. What time is it? 10:15. Yeah, from here, 6:54 to, let's call it here, 6:28. Yeah, it's not that bad. All that still is being respected. Yeah. Yeah, that does look nice. It looks really nice. But it's also generating a lot of liquidity for the coming days this week. So if it doesn't hit any of these today, I mean, obviously it's, what is today, Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday, so still have a lot left in the week to go. Yeah, that would have been beautiful. Now we're just ranging. Again, something that I'm working on is trying to identify that myself, because when you don't see this half, like we don't see what the rest of this area of the chart is going to do, right? This area is just, it's, right, it's just empty. So each time we see this, me personally trying to see where the range is can sometimes be hard until I, like I just did, zoomed out and looked like, okay, we're stopping here and we're stopping here. Okay. Whereas sometimes you see this and you're like, oh, this is just gonna, skyrocket, or even the trade I was in. All right, perfect. I'm gonna sell here. It's gonna go all the way back down to, these relative equal lows. So understanding, I need to see like that break. All that stuff is stuff I'm still working on and identifying in price action myself. Because we just trade price action. That's it. And VWAP. It's the only indicator. Besides this, which is adds confluence, it's not really an indicator. It just is something that you can pair with your overall strategy that's going to give you added confluence. And that's why I use this one right here. The 4-hour candle. And that's the name of it. PO3. And then you make that time frame 4 hours. I just have it going the entire time, not just from New York. And we could be seeing that play out here. We could be seeing that right now. So what we'll do is we'll wait to see if we're going to move to the downside. If this closes strong below, hopefully we get a retest and a reject that will send us lower. And I'm liking that right there so far. Yeah. Yeah. This is setting up nicely. This is setting up nicely. Let's see if we can get a push back into this area. That would be nice. But that's the exact, that 4-hour candle is going to have to flip at some point. So again, even if you took the trade and put your stop here, I mean, you can reduce that all the way back down to here, or you could just be completely out of the trade. So I mean, it's a good strategy, and when paired with everything else, I mean, I think this is the one. Like, I really do, because I could have just waited for that to flip. Realistically, put my stop right here. Yeah, I mean, that's playing out beautifully. Beautifully. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we're really starting to get somewhere. Let's see how far up this goes. I would like for it to flip.
Order
Taking
filled.
Putting my stop. Maybe not. Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna have to re-enter because that was not a good. That was not good. That was not good. Not good at all.
Order filled.
Again, I know I moved my stop very quickly. I would like to see it break VWAP first. Because, yeah, I didn't... really want that to break 110. What is that, 205? Yeah, I'm gonna get
Order
stopped.
filled.
It's all right. You can always re-enter. That's the beautiful part about this. This is where we need to enter. This is where I should have been entering.
Order filled.
Right here. And I'll keep re-entering over and over. I mean, I'm not worried about the number of trades or anything like that. If I don't like the fill or if I don't like that, I'll just re-enter. Like, there's no rule that's, no, just re-enter the trade. I'm a little worried that we're not getting much continuation down, but I think we will. So I'm just going to continue to hold this and hopefully be able to add to it. Don't like how that's continuously getting bought up. Defending VWAP, the bulls are defending VWAP for sure. Come on, bears. There we go. Wow. I think this has a clear path right straight down, so I'm just going to continue to hold. I really want to sell some more. Maybe move the stop just to a little bit in profit. Because if it flips back, I don't want to. I mean, 217 is decent for sure.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's okay. Just got to reach up at some point. But again, that was what, 215? So, all right, well, I'll just do the exact same thing I've been doing and re-enter. Maybe re-enter somewhere up here, but I'm thinking I don't think it gets back up here. I think we go straight for it.
Order filled.
And I wasn't even paying attention. I was literally, I'll tell you exactly what I was doing. I was like, okay, once we get to this, I'm going to move my stop and I'm going to put it, and it just ran. And now I'm going to get stopped out for a loss. Hopefully not, but I think so. Just put it right above that high. Okay, so now once we come back down, now I can move that stop back. But my goodness, I was like, there we go. I know that's super early, but I really
Order filled.
I really hate taking losses on good trades like that. I think that's one I should have definitely held though. For some reason, I think that we could maybe get back up to here, but I don't know. Yeah, there we go. We've already inversed this. Let me see how much higher this one gets. Because if we stay under VWAP like that, want to see how it reacts to that gap. This one right here. If we just run through it, or if we tap into it, respect it, and bounce out. I do like how right here it hasn't gone above this level. Just kind of giving me some confidence, especially at VWAP. It's just chopping right at VWAP. If we could get one thing I could do, I could just scalp this for $100 at a time. That's actually just moving, getting in, closing, because it's moving quick. So sell, get that quick sell down, boom, $100, buy, quick buy up, move stop very quickly. Really, really scalping, real deal scalping. But yeah, I do like how it hasn't gone above that. And now we have pretty much the same thing. Now we have a little bit of a bear flag forming. What we saw earlier, where once that thing went down, it was gone. Only to the upside. This one right here. Boom, 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 and then chopped, break, and then we'll see. So what happened last time? It took me some time to. I jumped in too early twice, which I just did. I already jumped in too early one time. Again, I want to get in someplace around here. And if we see this just go straight up into this area right here, into this huge gap that we saw, and if it just keeps going higher, then I'm definitely going to take this trade, but I'm going to move my stop. I want to get in like right.
Order filled.
Pretty much right on it. Put this back down here. Stop goes right here.
Order filled.
Oh, this is really. This is pushing. I'm gonna move that. It's okay.
Order filled.
It's all right. It went right through it. Wow.
Order filled. Order filled.
Definitely no continuation there. That's a huge push. Coming into that 50% of that range here. Interesting. Let's see. Let's see if we got. Yeah, I think that's gonna pop. Yeah, definitely thought. Let's see. Yeah, let's see if we can get. This is the. Yeah, this is what. This is what. Yeah, let's see. Slowing down. That was a violent move up, but now it's just slow, and I think it still pushes higher.
Order filled.
I like that. I think this is going to blow right past these. Shoot, I'll move this up to another 1,000. 60, 50. Yeah, I think this goes right through it. Maybe not. Hopefully we can get that push. Let's get that push. There we go. Let's get the push. And just rip through it. There we go. There we go. Oh, man. You gotta be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Alright, here's the second chance. Let's not blow it this time.
Order filled.
Dang. I'll take 100 every day, though. $100 trade each time. I mean, I'll do that every day. Doesn't have to be I wanted that $1,000 trade, but I figured we'd blow right past these. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Scary money don't make money. 5-minute doesn't have a bottom wick as of yet. There we go. Let's see what happens. Might call it a day here. I'm going to take one more stab. Hesitated. Should have done it right there. I was going to set this time. 56. Yeah, this is very boring right now. Very boring. Very boring. Very boring. But a buy to see this thing take off would be nice. Hmm.
Order filled. Order filled.
Quick $100. Can't beat it. Can never beat it. Man, if I just would have wrote it out. I mean, I think this goes all the way up. Let's just see. Let's just see. Hmm. So we have a high, a low, a higher high. Let's see if we get a higher low, which I think we will.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's alright. Another 165. Just stacking it up. Probably rip much higher. Tempted to do it again. These long wicks right here. 1, 2, 3, could be 4. Long wicks. Oops. This could be that lower low. Boom. 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 This could be that lower low. I'm sorry, the higher low. That'd have been a beautiful buy. Buy that all the way up to the, I want to see how close it gets to VWAP though. And if we really just wanted to clear all this out, or just to dump, it's possible. See if we cut through it again. I feel like a buy might be good, but I just like this low right here for some reason. I just want to see how we react when we get down here. If we get down here, break, or even break here, we're dumping. But this could be that lower low doesn't quite get here, come back up. Because I definitely missed out on this move right here. I don't want to do that again. Don't want to miss that nice push. But I'm going to see if we get to this low, take this low out, I think we can go higher. Or if we come down, close below it, then I think we go lower, much lower, maybe to here, which is what I'm going to target. Not now. Oh, moves so fast. You hesitate for a second, it moves right past you. It's all good. Alright, that low's been taken out. This low has been taken out. Now let's see how we react. See right here. Why can't I move this? Okay. I think we're going lower. Alright. We might be getting some. We might be getting some of that push back up after taking this low out. After being in this little area right here. Oh, but we haven't seen one. I need to eat something. Starving.
Order filled.
I really don't want to lose that much, but let's see if I can get it down to 150.
Order
Oh,
filled.
that was quick.
Order filled.
Alright, it's not at all what I wanted.
Order filled.
Okay. We might go lower.
Order filled.
I mean, my goodness. This is not what I want. This can't be happening.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, then we'll just move this right here. Stop right 150. Okay. Oh my gosh. This can't be happening.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
See, if I just would have waited for that, I'd be up, $3 grand right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, that'd have been 17.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, I might call it here. Unless I just want to buy, hold till it comes all the way back up, which I probably won't do. Yeah. It's definitely got some room. Overnight high. Overnight low. What is that, 134 points down to London lows. Could happen. Slowing down here, might get a little reversal, push up. Something just like that. see what happens here if we get that curl. Gonna ride that back up at least to the bottom of the 15-minute. Oh, that is the bottom. The range low. Opening range low. Let's see if we push back into the range. Oh, it looks like we didn't rejected it. That's a good sign. We'll probably keep going lower. But we have a middle wick. This wick hasn't passed this one hasn't passed that one, and this one still hasn't. Okay. See, if we could start to get something like this, and no continuation strong through, we could probably reverse. Okay, looks like we're probably going to continue. Probably get another leg lower. So we have this leg lower, chop, chop, chop. This leg lower, chop, chop, chop. Then we can get probably one more leg lower, I would imagine. And none of the previous candles were higher than the other, right? So we have this one, this one, this one, this one, so they're not surpassing each other. Could be a good opportunity. Probably take one more and call it a day. See if we can get to, around 2,000. Okay. I like this. Way under VWAP. Yep, here comes that next leg.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, wow. Okay, so if we wanted, the next target would be that overnight. Yeah, this is... Honestly, might just try to scale into one.
Order
Start
filled.
with 5. Have a good stop. And then go towards 348 or 324. 348.
Order filled.
Okay, maybe not. Of course. Of course. Barely stops me out. Then keeps going. That's a strong. That's
Order
a strong
filled.
push. Put this right here.
Order filled.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, I'm not really liking the way I'm trading right now. I genuinely might call it. I'm not liking this. Yeah,
Order filled.
oh man. Literally as I'm trying to get my stop in there, because again, I like to move them very quickly. There we go. Just keep running, little fella.
Order filled.
So if I could, yeah, I think this is gonna do what we did last time. What was it? I mean, we think it's gonna fly up and then it just comes right back down. Unless this one really does have some momentum. Which it really might. It really might. Let's see. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah, we might be getting a nice little switch. We might need to get a little change. At 5 minute, I want to see that blast past it, which I think it will. Let's see. Back into. Ooh, it's rejecting that pretty strongly. Back into the range. On the 5 minute, but I still think this is gonna surpass that. Yeah, this is looking decent. See how this 5 minute candle closes. Oh yeah, we're good. Two minutes still left in this candle. Let's see if we can get something. I want to see how we react around this area right here. If we can tap back in, or does it reject off of this and push lower? We'll see. 50 seconds left. Let's see if we can get something on here because I gotta eat something. I'm starving. You gotta put it right there. Ooh, you know what? Let's see. I think this was the level here. I think. Let me see if I can. I'm thinking we come up and we reverse and continue lower. That's my thing. I think we continue lower. Right here. Reject. Yeah.
Order filled.
220. That was not a good entry. Let's do 100. I don't get this one.
Order filled.
It's alright.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
If I could have gotten in here and then placed my stop right there, that would have been perfect.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Whoa.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.